How to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Snapchat notifies you when someone takes a screenshot of your story, but you might miss it if you don't know where to look. Now, let's dive in. Launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, at the top left corner, you're gonna find your profile icon. Click on it. With that, you'll be directed to the profile page. Once you're on the profile page, over here you'll find this option of upgrade to Snapchat Plus. Just click on it. With that, you're gonna find different feature of Snapchat Plus. In order to view who have screenshotted your Snapchat story, you will need to upgrade to the Snapchat Plus. If you don't upgrade to the Snapchat Plus, you can only view the screenshot number. But if you upgrade it to the Snapchat Plus, you will be able to find who screenshotted your Snapchat story. So you can select the subscription plan and upgrade to the Snapchat Plus. And once you do that, you can hit towards your Snapchat story, open it. Now at the bottom middle, you'll find this icon, you have to click on it. This action will show you who has viewed and interacted with your story. In the list of viewers, look for a small double arrow icon or a screenshot icon next to the names. This icon indicates which users have taken a screenshot of your story. At the moment, I'm not using the Snapchat upgraded version, so it is not showing, but in the case you upgrade your Snapchat to the Plus version, you can find out who have screenshotted your Snapchat story. Well, that's a wrap for this video. So this is how you can see screenshotted your Snapchat story. Keeping an eye on who's capturing your content helps you stay informed and control your privacy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.